In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Chatgpt mobile app and how to use it. OpenAI doesn't have official standalone Chatgpt app. However, I will show you how by creating a shortcut you can quickly access Chatgpt as an app on your mobile phone. To do so, open your Chrome app and then type chat.openai.com. Since I have already signed up for the app, now I'm going to log in. This is the interface of the app. You can write whatever you wanted to write on the PC, also on the mobile phone. The last thing you need to do is to tap on three dots on Chrome and add to home screen. Now you have your Chatgpt AI mobile app shortcut on your phone and you can use it very easily.